Hey there, fellow drivers. We all know driving can be risky, but did you know your mirrors could be putting you in danger? Suddenly a car appeared out of nowhere right beside me. I slammed on the brakes, heart pounding. Turns out, it was hiding in my blind spot. That close call taught me a valuable lesson. Blind spots are those sneaky areas around your car that you can't see in your mirrors. They're like hidden traps, waiting to catch you off guard. And believe me, they can cause serious accidents. Imagine this, you're merging lanes, thinking the coast is clear. But hidden in your blind spot is another car, on a collision course. The results can be devastating. Poorly adjusted mirrors magnify these dangers. They create larger blind spots, increasing the chances of a nasty surprise. Most drivers think they have their mirrors set up right. But the truth is, many of us are making crucial mistakes. One common error is angling the side mirrors too far in. This might seem like it gives you a better view of your own car, but it actually shrinks your field of vision, creating massive blind spots. Another mistake is setting the rear view mirror too high or too low. It needs to be positioned just right to give you a clear view of the entire rear window. These seemingly small errors have big consequences, turning blind spots from minor annoyances into major hazards. The numbers don't lie, blind spots are a serious problem on our roads. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, over 840,000 blind spot-related accidents occur each year in the United States alone. That's a staggering number, and it highlights the urgent need for drivers to take blind spot safety seriously. We're talking about hundreds of thousands of accidents that could be prevented with a simple adjustment. Don't become another statistic. It's time to ditch the bad habits and learn the right way to adjust your mirrors. Section 5. The Pro Driver's Secret Mastering Mirror Adjustments. Here's the good news. There's a simple, effective way to virtually eliminate your blind spots. It's the same method used by professional drivers, and it's easier than you think. First, adjust your side mirrors outward until you can just barely see the side of your car. This might feel strange at first, but trust me, it dramatically expands your field of vision. Next, tilt your rearview mirror so you have a clear view of the entire rear window, from the bottom to the top. This gives you maximum visibility behind you. This method might take a little getting used to, but the safety benefits are undeniable. Section 6. Overlapping vision, your secret weapon against blind spots. The key to this method is creating overlapping fields of vision between your rear view and side mirrors. Think of it like a puzzle. Each mirror provides a piece of the puzzle, and when combined, they give you a complete picture of what's happening around your car. This overlapping vision means that as a car leaves your rearview mirror's view, it immediately enters your side mirror's view, with no blind spot in between. It's like having eyes in the back of your head. This technique dramatically reduces the chances of a vehicle sneaking up on you undetected. Section 7. Real-world results. Seeing is believing. I've been using this method for years, and I can personally attest to its effectiveness. Since I started adjusting my mirrors this way, I've experienced a noticeable improvement in my driving awareness and confidence. I'm not the only one. Countless drivers have reported similar results, sharing stories of how this simple technique has helped them avoid accidents and become safer drivers. The proof is in the pudding. Once you experience the difference for yourself, you'll never go back to your old ways. Section 8. Fine-tuning for safety. Tips for every driver. While the basic method is the same for everyone, there are a few tweaks you can make based on your vehicle type and driving conditions. For example, if you drive a larger vehicle like an SUV or truck, you might need to angle your side mirrors out even further to compensate for the wider blind spots. And at night, it's a good idea to slightly dim your rearview mirror to reduce glare from headlights behind you, ensuring a clear view of the road. Remember, safe driving is all about adapting to the situation at hand. Section 9. Take action today. See the difference, share the knowledge. So, there you have it. No more excuses for dangerous blind spots. Take a few minutes today to adjust your mirrors using the professional driver method. It could literally save your life. And once you've experienced the difference, spread the word. Share this information with your friends, family, and fellow drivers. Let's work together to make our roads safer for everyone. Remember, safety is a team effort. Let's all do our part to eliminate blind spots and prevent accidents. Drive safe.